the need to ensure that criminal cases are speedily addressed to reduce the number of prison inmates awaiting trial in Gombe State has been stressed. According to stakeholders, 90% of the state's prisoners are awaiting trial or facing criminal charges. Hence, judiciary experts are urging the executive to employ and train more law officers to handle the cases. Hassan Koli has more.
In 2024, Gombe State experienced a significant criminal cases leading to a backlog of cases yet to be attended to. According to the Chief Registrar of the Gombe State High Court, Bello Sharif, 90% of inmates awaiting trial in the state's prisons are involved in criminal cases, a situation he described as worrisome.
Most of the cases are being recorded by our courts, particularly criminal cases. Our cases are given source for concern. Source for concern in the sense that when you go to the prison, you discover that most of the inmates awaiting trial are people under the age of 20, 25. Downwards, they constitute more than 90% of the population of the prison. And the number is always increasing. And when we look at it, we discover that most of these people are lacking a lot of things in the society that bring them up. These are situations where you see young men taking drugs freely, consuming hallucinants, capable of destroying the fabric of the society. And these are the targets. These are the youth. This is the target of society.
In response to the growing backlog, the Gombe State Judiciary says it is implementing several reforms aimed at expediting justice delivery. These include comprehensive reforms, infrastructural upgrades, and improved welfare for judicial officers. Despite these efforts, the high percentage of inmates awaiting trial for serious criminal offenses remains a significant concern, highlighting the need for continued reforms and resource allocation to address the challenges within Gombe State's judicial system.
People who are shoulder the responsibility of safeguarding the society should be treated with all the importance they deserve. Because when you call an agency to come for an intervention, take the police for instance, and they do not have vehicle to move or the personnel to deploy, you find that the criminals will have a field day. So I will call that it is important that the training and equipping of those agencies responsible for curbing crime and training them and retraining them is very important. If that is done, I think the society will be safer, and I think the volume of cases will drop.
The Chief Judge of Gombe State, Justice Halima Muhammad, had during a review of the 2024 legal year revealed that a total of 616 cases encompassing civil, criminal and human rights abuses were filed at the State High Court. Hassan Koli, Trust TV News, Gombe.